shot for a lot less than what the home is worth, $1.6 million. CBS 2's Scott Rappaport talked with a homeowner who is ready to make a deal.
So you say you're looking for a big house on the water really cheap? How does this sound?
Only $50.
Excuse me?
$50.
That's right, for $50 and some good fortune, this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 4,100 square foot house with open kitchen, steam shower, and jacuzzi on the water in Massapequa could be yours for $50.
What's the catch?
We're going to be raffling it off.
Owner John Luongo says he's been trying to sell the $1.6 million home for more than a year, and with the housing market so crazy right now, he figured he'd never get his price. So he decided, why not raffle it off? $50 a pop. If he sells 30,000 raffles, that's $1.5 million, which is what he wanted in the first place.
But my original plan was to live here with wife and kid and raise a family. But after the economic downturn, I lost my job a couple of years ago.
He says he got the raffle idea after hearing some other people had done it, so he set up his own website and a PayPal account. So far, he says he sold 10,000 tickets for $500,000, and he hopes to sell the rest by December 15th, the date of the drawing.
I figured this would be a great way to not only help myself get get some financial freedom, but another way to actually help give back to the community of somebody else who normally couldn't afford the home.
For $50, who would say no?
He says the lucky winner will not only get the house, but this 2007 Mercedes-Benz. And all you need is $50 and a dream. Scott Rappaport, CBS 2 News.
The owner says if he does not sell at least 25,000 raffle tickets, he will refund 98% of the price of each ticket sold. For more information on the raffle house with the prize car there, go to our website, WCBSTV.com. Click on links and numbers, and don't forget, if you win, there are still all those
Taxes.
bills, taxes.
Not just a house
Big
for
place to
$50.
furnish.
You got it. All right. Still ahead, doors open.